Alright, here we are at Petco on 45th Street for Seattle Persian Himalayan Rescue, and we are going to do a quick inventory of kitties. This is Kaput. Hi Kaput. You want to smile for the camera? She's a little shy, but she's going to get better. Very wiggly. Is that all you're going to do for us right now? Okay. And then below her, we have a boy. His name is Easy. Hi, Easy. Yeah. Easy's very playful. Loves loud, rambunctious children. Would probably do great in a house with dogs and a daycare and all kinds of crazy stuff going on. Very outgoing, not shy at all. Incredibly friendly and playful. Such a good boy. Okay, who else do we have? This is Jack. And I haven't actually got to play with Jack yet. Harry, let me see. Medium adult male. That's what we know so far. And you were hanging out in your litter box, which I hate it when you guys do that. Hi, Jack. You just relaxing for now? It's your first day, so you're probably shy. Okay, Jack, we'll leave you alone. Yes, Easy. We know you're there. You're gonna be our little alpha male, aren't you? Okay, let's see who else we have. This is Mia. Mia, where have you moved? Mia's in the center cage. Hi, Mia. Hello. Oh, good kitty. Mia's very, very friendly. 8 months old, so we are still a kitten. Meow, meow, meow. You're gonna go quick. And then last but not least, we have Mary Beth. It's a little tortie. Hi there. You come out of... Oh, we just pooped, didn't we? I know, nobody wants to be bothered during bathroom time. Look at that. She covers her poo. What a good kitty. It's my favorite kind of cat. Uses the litter box and covers it up. So she was very shy yesterday, even growling and hissing at people. But today, she's doing just fine. So those are all the kitties that we have on 45th Street at the Petco for SPHR. Thanks for watching.